Today I'm going to try a new lash fixer which is from PAC, Lash Fixer Eyelash Adhesive. I have heard rave reviews about this, that this is the best in the market. And yeah, this is how it looks. This costed me around 495 rupees. I bought this from Amazon. This is how it looks, and it is supposed to be black in color, so you know that really makes it very easy to apply. So we are going to use this lash right now, and yeah, let's do it together. What I'm supposed to do is, you see a lash here, right? And this is supposed to be like a magnetic lash adhesive. So what I do is I simply just run it through. Okay, कौन है? हाँ? Avyan, मत उठा. So what I do is I simply run it through this portion, this band here, and I let it like dry for 5 seconds. 5 seconds is enough, I guess. And just place it. Okay, it was like really easy, but what we have to see is, does it like stay for long? That I can only tell you once I have used this for like 5-6 hours. So far good. So here's the final look. I really like it, and actually that day I went outside and I was outside for around 6 to 7 hours, and trust me when I say this did not budge me at all. It looked so beautiful. This eyelash was looking so fluttery, and I was in the sun. I'm going to put a clip here. I was in the sun all with my baby, but still this was just amazing.